LP and HP filter. Okay, we know the circuit diagram of a first order low pass filter. We know this is simple RC. Here we have an R and C, then an op amp. This is the forward feedback transfer function, feedback resistance, and this is the R1. This is the circuit diagram of a first order low pass filter. This is the input voltage and this is the output voltage. Similarly, we know the circuit diagram of a second order filter. Second order Saranki circuit, we know here we have this is R, C, then the op amp, then RF, R1, RF, R1, and here this one is the input voltage, the output voltage, and here we have a resistance capacitance. This is the circuit diagram of a uh, second order. This is first order LP filter. This is the second order LP filter. We already know. Okay, and we know the cutoff frequency, which is 1 by 2 pi RC also. 1 by 2 pi RC. Here also the cutoff frequency is 1 by 2 pi RC. Low pass filter we know, which allow low frequency to pass the device and block the high frequency. We know the characteristics. For ideal low pass filter. This is the characteristics. Here this is the gain. There is the output by input, and this is the frequency omega, or you can write also f. This is the first ideal gain versus frequency characteristic of the low pass filter. Now, if we have first order filter, we know the practical first order filter is something like this. Practical filter. Practically, so this is the gain versus frequency response. Okay. Now, if you increase the order, then we know it will move. The response will be this. As we increase the order, this is practical first order filter. Okay. Now we are already familiar with all these things. So let us design a 1 kilohertz LP filter. Okay, and analyze its frequency response. Okay, we know here the frequency f is equal to 1 kilohertz cutoff frequency that we want to design. We want to design a 1 kilohertz low pass filter. Okay, so here fc equal to 1 kilohertz. Now if fc equal to 1 kilohertz, then omega c we know, which is equal to 2 pi fc, that is 2 into pi into 1 kilohertz. Okay, that is the radian per second we know, and we will assume the c, let the c equal to 0.1 microfarad. So what will be the value of r? So r will be, as we know, fc equal to 1 by 2 pi rc. So r equal to 1 by 2 pi fc into c. So that means r equal to 1 by 2 pi into fc, uh, which is 1, or this one is the omega c, can say, right? Or omega c equal to 1 by rc. Okay, so here this is 1 by 2 pi into 10 to the power 3 into 0.1 to 10 to the power 6. So if you calculate, what will be the value? So it will be 10 to the power 7, 0.1 will 10 to the power 7, 2 pi into 10 to the power 3. কত আসবে? 10 to the power 4 by 3.14. কত আসছে বলো তো? 10 to the power 4 কত আসছে তোমরা অলরেডি জানো। 10 to the power 4 মানে কত? 10,000 তো? Divide by 6.28. 6.28. So therefore this is
1592.
1.59 kilo ohm. Okay. So this is the 1.59 kilo ohm. So if you consider this is the value of C, then this will be the value of resistance. So that means that this assume that gain, let the gain equal to 2. Now gain we know is 1 plus Rf by R1 equal to 2. Okay, the gain equal to 2. Then in that case, Rf equal to R1. If we consider 10 kilo ohm, if we consider R1 equal to 10 kilo ohm, then Rf will be 10 kilo ohm also. That means this one is 1.59 kilo ohm. This is 0.9 microfarad, and then we have a op amp. This one is the op amp, and this is 10 kilo ohm. We're already all these things we already. So this is the circuit diagram of a first order low pass filter whose pass band gain is 2 and the cutoff frequency is 1.59. Similarly, you can say if you have a second order filter, same second order 1.59. Here this is C 1.59K, 1.59K, and this is 0.1 microfarad. This is 0.1 microfarad, and this is here we have this. Uh, this is 10 kilo ohm. If pass band, we consider pass band gain equal to 2, then this will be 10 kilo ohm. Okay, and here we have a capacitor. So this is the circuit diagram of a second order low pass filter. Second order low pass filter whose cutoff frequency is 1 kilohertz. And pass band gain equal to 2. This is second order filter. Now, if it is a Butterworth filter, we know in that case of Butterworth filter, the pass band gain is 1.586. মনে পড়ছে? So that means pass band for if you are asked to design a Butterworth second order Butterworth filter, in that case pass band gain is 1.586. That means you know RF1 by R1 equal to 1.586. So in that case, the RF is equal to 0.586 R1. Now, if you take R1 equal to 10 kilo ohm, if we select R1 equal to 10 kilo ohm, then RF will be 5.86 kilo ohm. Okay. So what will be the circuit diagram? What will be the circuit diagram? Circuit diagram of a second order Butterworth filter. Second order Butterworth filter whose cutoff frequency is 1 kilohertz, whose cutoff frequency is 1 kilohertz, and the since this is a Butterworth filter, so this will be RF is 5.86 kilo ohm. This is 10 kilo ohm. Here this is 0.1 microfarad, and this is the 0.1 microfarad. Okay. So this is also a second order low pass filter of cutoff frequency 1 kilowatt, but this is a Butterworth filter because its pass band gain is 1.586. বোঝা গেছে তো? এটা অলরেডি তোমরা জানো, তাই আমাদের এগুলো তো বলার কিছু নেই। Alright, so this is a low pass filter, first order low pass filter of cutoff frequency 1 kilohertz. This is a second order low pass filter of cutoff frequency 1 kilohertz and pass band gain 2. Here also pass band gain is 2. Here this is the Butterworth. Now how to analyze? Okay. All right. Let us analyze the filter in SPICE. Say now, analysis, we already know the design because that is in our theory class. So only thing here we'll learn how to analyze using SPICE. Okay. So this one, let us consider the cutoff frequency is 1 kilohertz, and the pass band gain is 1.5. That is the Butterworth filter. Okay. That is 3 minus root 2, 3 minus root 2, the pass band gain. So that means this is the capacitor. It's a capacitor here. This is here also a capacitor. Let us analyze. All right. So the nature. This is the gain versus frequency curve. Gain versus frequency. Gain versus frequency for ideal, and for practical you will do this. Okay. Here this is 1.59 K, 1.59 K, 0.1 microfarad, and 0.1 microfarad. Okay, this is 5.86 K, this 10 K. Okay, now analyze. We know the supply will be a AC. You know, AC because a low pass filter allow low frequency to pass through the filter, whereas a high pass filter and block high pass frequency, and on the other hand, high pass filter block the low frequency, and pass the high frequency. So let us apply AC signal here. Let the name of the AC signal is V1, and same magnitude is 1 volt. All right. Let this is R1, this is R2, this is C1, or you can say C2, this is C1. Okay, and this one, this is RF, or you can write R2 also. R2 is there also, so you can write this is R3, it's R4. So this is not required. Okay, now let us analyze. So first, you know, just title statement. So LP filter. LP filter is the first title. All right. Now the circuit description. So this is ground. Ground we know is 0. Ground, all ground you know are 0. So this is also 0. So ground. This one is node 1. This is node 2. This is node 3. This is node 4. All right. You can say this is node 5, but it's not required. I will show you why it is not required. This is R1. Sorry, this one is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. All right. So LP filter. So V1 1 0. Now we have a AC signal here. AC 1 volt. That is, I assume that phase is 0 degree. Okay. So this is V1. Now what is R1? R1 is connected between 1 and 2. Look at R1. It is connected between 1 and 2. So it is 1 and 2, and its resistance is 1.59 K. Then R2. R2 is 2 3. It is also 1.59 K. All right. Now C1 is connected between 3 and ground. So C1 is connected between 3 and ground. Ground is, you know, of course 0, ground, and it is 0.1 U. C2, look at C2. C2 is connected between 2 and 4. C2 is connected between 2 and 4. It is connected between 2 and 4, C2, and it is also 0.1 U. All right. All right. ঠিক আছে তো? Now the op amp. So look at the op amp. So here the supply is given from 3 and output is taken from 4. Okay. কি অসুবিধা হয়েছে বুঝতে? প্লিজ বলো, কিন্তু পরীক্ষায় তো আসবে, পরীক্ষায় তো আমি প্রোগ্রামিং দেবো, ডিজাইন এন্ড প্রোগ্রাম। কিছু অসুবিধা হয়েছে বুঝতে? অসুবিধা হলে আমাকে বলো।
না স্যার, না স্যার বুঝেছি।
Only thing is that how to cope with the op amp. Okay. Now look at what is the input? Input is coming from 3 0. This is 3, this is 0, and the output is taken from 4 0. তাই তো? দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো? Look at carefully. The input is connected of the op amp is connected to node 3. So input is given from the input is terminal is basically connected with node 3, and output terminal is taken from 4. Okay. So here, so what is the output? We know the output is K into what? The input. That is the formula, you know. Where K is 1 plus RF by R1. Okay, you know that. So output is V0. So that means, look, the output depends on the input. Okay, it depends. If input is 10, what will be the output? What will be the output? If input is 10, what will be here? If input is, say, this is 10. If what will be the output? It will be K times 10. K মানে কত? হ্যাঁ, তার K into 10, that is 1 plus RF by R1. তাই তো? You can calculate K. হ্যাঁ, Okay, there is output is this. So that means input is output is depend on the input voltage. It is called that means we have a voltage control voltage source. In terms of, if you consider dependent source, it is a voltage control voltage source. Right? We'll give some input, depending on the input voltage, we'll get them the output. That is called dependent voltage source. Now, how to cope dependent voltage source? Now here the symbol for dependent voltage source is E. E denotes voltage control voltage source. E denotes voltage control voltage source. And where you will connect, this connected between 4 and 0. Out, okay. So it is 4 and 0. Output is 4 and 0. So that means N plus, N minus. This output is a dependent voltage. Output voltage is here, obtained from these two terminals. Okay, so that is N plus, and it depends on input terminal 30. Okay, so it depends on 30. Okay, output terminal is connected from 4 and 0, input terminal is 30. Okay, and what is the voltage gain? The gain is 1.586. That is the formula, you know. Butterworth filter, its gain is 1. And if it is gain 2, if for example if the passband gain is 2, you write 2. If passband gain is 4, you write here 4. So in other words, you can say E name voltage control voltage source, its symbol is E. Voltage control voltage source name, it is connected between N plus and N minus, and it depends on NC plus NC minus, and then you write the gain. Okay? That is the statement for voltage control voltage source. Okay, so you know this is a non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier is a non-inverting amplifier. Its output will depend on the input. So 40 output depends on the voltage 30. Okay, so this is E4030, and gain, passband gain is 1.586. So for example, say voltage control voltage source is connected between 5 and 0, and it depends on 20. So what will be the statement? Say the passband gain is 4. So what will be the statement? The statement will be E5020, passband gain is 4. That is 4. Okay, so this one is E4030 1.586. Now you analyze. So what do you have to analyze? You have to analyze the frequency response. This is a frequency, not transient response. It is a frequency response. So here in the previous problem in RLC transient, the x-axis was the time, but here it will be a frequency, omega. So in that case, in analyze frequency statement, you have to use dot AC statement. You know, dot trend, we'll use dot trend when the x-axis is time, but here x-axis is frequency. So use the command dot AC. So dot AC. So you use linear scale, or you can use decade scale also. So here dot AC statement will write dot AC linear scale. If you use linear scale, if you use log scale, in that case you will write dot AC decades. Okay, then number of test points. Number of test point, here also number of test point per decade. Number of test point per decade. Then starting frequency, start frequency, and stop frequency. Same is also here, start frequency and the stop frequency. Okay, so what we'll write here, if we here let us write dot AC. So let us use log scale, because we will analyze the large scale. Log scale, you know, log scale is a compressed scale. If you use log scale, large frequency can be analyzed on a single graph paper. If you use linear graph, it will take a long size graph. So dot AC, so dot AC, then you write the decade scale. Let us consider 100 test points per decade. Starting frequency, what is the starting frequency? Starting frequency কত নেব? 0, তাই তো? 0, low frequency to high frequency, তাই তো? So dot AC decade, number of test points per decade is 100. I assume the number of test points per decade is 100. Okay, so now the start frequency. So you cannot write 0 here. Why? Remember, log 0 is undefined. So write 0.1 hertz. Okay, 0.1 hertz to say here say let us analyze up to 100 kilohertz. Dot AC, decade, 100 test points per decade, 0.1 the starting frequency, and say 10 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz is the stop frequency. Okay, now you write dot probe, which voltage we have to consider. We have to consider which voltage, the output voltage. Output voltage, we need output voltage, which is V40. And what is the input voltage? V10. So if you want to find the gain, gain means output by input. So we have to find gain. V40 is the output, V10 is the input. So gain is V40 by V10. So right, so dot probe V40 and V10 input. Now, since this is the AC quantity, you have to write Vm, M for magnitude. Okay, because this is AC quantity. In the previous analysis, we analyzed the DC signals. So no need to write, for DC there is no question of magnitude and phase. But here, since the supply is AC, so we have to mention, we will analyze the magnitude. Okay, so dot probe VM40, VM10. Then to write the dot end. All right, খুব সহজ। ধরো ফর এক্সাম্পল আমি আরেকবার বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ধরো ফার্স্ট অর্ডার ফিল্টার, you have to analyze the filter. Same 1.59 K, 0.1 U. Say pass band gain 2. Assume the pass band gain is 2. Pass band gain 2. So what is the program? So first you give a AC supply here. V1, 1 volt AC. This is R1. This is C1. This one is RF, that is not required also. This is R1, R2. Okay, so কি হবে? So here same 1 0, this is 2 0, and this is 3. There are 3 nodes, 3 0. So first title, first V1 10 AC 1 volt. Then write R1. R1 কি লিখবে?
1 2
1 2, তারপরে 1.59,
1.59,
তারপরে কি লিখবো?
R2 2 3,
R2 দরকার নেই, R2 বাই R2। this is first one, C1 কত হবে? 220, তারপরে 0.1 U. Then we have a dependent source. Op-amp will means voltage control voltage source. So how to write op-amp? E1 is the op-amp. Op-amp ke I will denote by E1. E is a depend voltage control voltage source. E1. Then how to write? বলো।
2 3,
2 3 কেন? op-amp কোথা থেকে আউটপুট কোথা থেকে নেব? From where? 30. We can get output 30. And what voltage it depends? It depends on 20. And what is the pass band gain? 2. And pass band gain is 2. Okay. Now the frequency dot AC, we will use decade scale to analyze large range of frequency. Decade, jano what is decade? 1 এর decade 10, 10 এর decade 100, 100 এর decade 1000, 1000 এর decade 10,000, and so on. Okay, so if you use say one small division equal to 1 radian per second, 1 hertz, then what will be the size? Size will be very large. That is why we use log scale. Log scale will compress the x-axis. বুঝতে পারছো? Say you want to analyze a filter up to 1 megahertz. So if you consider one small division of the graph paper is equal to 1 hertz, then what will be the size? Just imagine the size of the graph. There will be 10 to the power 6. You need 10 to the power 6 small divisions. So size will be very large. So try to plot at 1 megahertz in a simple graph paper, you will not able to do. So we need log scale for that, for to analyze large range of frequency. Dot AC decade, then F start কত? F start will take 0.1. Remember, don't write 0 here. because log scale log 0 is undefined, 0.1 hertz to say 100 kilohertz. Number of test points, they assume 100 test points per decade. That means between 0 to 1 to 0, 1 to 10, we have 100 points. 10 to 100, we have another 100 points. Okay. So this is the method. Now what will write? What will write here? Dot probe. Output is taken from where? 30. Output is taken from 30. Input is 10. So input supply, you know, VM 30, VM 10. M means magnitude. Since the supply is AC, we need AC has both magnitude and phase. So we write M for magnitude, then dotted. All right, that is the program. Now, if you are asked to design a high pass filter, just swap the position of resistance and capacitance. So I will not discuss any high pass filter, because you know, just swap the position. That means in the position of 1 and 2, in the position of 1 and 2, we have capacitance. In the position of 3 and 0, we have the resistance. All right. So in case of a high pass filter, you know, position of capacitance and inductance are interchanged. You know, high pass filter circuit diagram, you already know. High pass filter position of capacitor will change the position of capacitor and the resistance. This is high pass filter, you know, for first order high pass filter will change the position of resistance and capacitance, will change the position of resistance and capacitance. This is the first order high pass filter. মনে পড়ছে? V input, V output. If we have a second order high pass filter, in that case, first capacitor, then another capacitor, then our resistance here, then the op amp, plus minus. Here we have RF, R1, RF, R1. Then now this is C, R, and the R here that will connect to the output. Okay. Now, okay, this is the input. You know, the output. All right, just swap the position of capacitance and resistance to convert a low pass filter into high pass filter. You know, cutoff frequency is same as before, that is 1 by 2 pi RC. In 1 by 2 pi RC. Cutoff frequency in hertz is 1 by 2 pi. মনে পড়ছে? And if we have a Butterworth filter in, and you know the pass band gain, the pass band gain is 1 plus RF by R1. Now, if you have a Butterworth filter, then the pass band gain is 1.586. All right. I already wrote the program. Second order, huh? Look at the program. Is it clear? So V1, you know, you know the V1. V1 was what? For the V1, you know, 1010 AC. Look at the program. Where is the whiteboard? Look at the program here. Low pass filter, V1 10 AC, R1 12 1.59, R2 23 1.59, C1 30.1 U, C2 24.1 U, E1 you can write 4030 1.586. If you consider the Butterworth filter, if you have a normal filter, then it is a 2 pass, then can be 2. Then the AC.AC statement, then the probe. All right. Look at here. V1 10 AC 1 volt, R1 12 1.59K, R2 23 1.59K, C130 0.1 U, and C224 0.1 U. Okay, 31. Okay, then the frequency passband gain here I will consider 2. Okay, so if we consider 1.586 for Butterworth filter, it is 1.586. AC decade, number of points, test points 100, 10, starting from 10. I'm considering starting frequency 10 also. 10, you can take any other frequency. You may take 1 or starting frequency 1 also. Remember, don't take 0 here. It may give some errors. Okay, now now let's run the program. So output will be 410, na? 40. কি হলো? Just a minute. কি করেছি বলো তো? এরর দিচ্ছে কেন গো? V1 V140 এরর দিচ্ছে।
ওটা 1.586K হবে না?
না না, ওটা দরকার নেই। E1 তো।
ও সরি,
দেখি কি আছে, দেখি না প্লটটা কি আসছে। যাই হোক, V4 by
0/V10.
look at the fill the passband gain. Look at the nature. Look at the starting frequency is 1 hertz, stop frequency is 100 kilohertz. Look at here, starting frequency is 100 hertz, 1 hertz, and stop frequency is 100 kilohertz. Look at the cutoff frequency. You know the cutoff frequency. What is the gain? Gain will be K by root 2. You know cutoff frequency gain. Here this is the cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency at cutoff frequency. This is a cutoff frequency. Look at cutoff frequency here. At 1 kilohertz, the gain will be 1.586 by root 2. Right? Passband gain is 1.586 by root 2. You can match. This is 1 kilohertz. This is the 1 kilohertz. This one. Look at this is 1 kilohertz. Look at here 1 kilohertz. Cutoff frequency. The passband gain is 1.586. This is 1. This is 2. With 1.2, 1.4, this is 1.56, slightly below 1.26, 1.6. This is 1. Look at here, this is 1. 1.2. This is 1.4. This is 1.6, 1.8, 2. Slightly below 1.6. That is 1.586. This is the passband gain. Look at the passband gain here. Look at passband gain 1.586. Now, what is the cutoff frequency? Cutoff frequency is here, this region, where it is cutting. Here, this is the cutoff frequency. All right, this frequency will be the cutoff frequency. This frequency, 1 kilohertz. So, what will be the gain at cutoff frequency? This will be the gain at cutoff frequency. This one. All right. Will 1.58 right? Now, all right. Now you can change if you want to change same thing. If you want to design a high pass filter, just swap the position of resistance and capacitance. Swap the position of resistance and capacitance. Say for example here, say the high pass filter, experiment number 6, high pass filter, second order high pass filter. Look here. Here R and C, look at the R and C. R I am taking R as koto 3.98. I took R equal to 3.98. Okay. 3.98, sorry. This is 3.98. R is I took R 3 equal to 3.98 and C is 0.01. So what will be the cutoff frequency? What will be the cutoff frequency? কত হবে? সত্যি কথা মানে কাটার ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি কত হবে? 1/RC কত হবে কাটার ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি? তাড়াতাড়ি বলো, আর টাইম নেই তো। কত আছে আর বলো। আমি নিয়েছি F। এফ, এফ কত নিয়েছি? আচ্ছা আমি এফ নিয়েছি, আগেরটা ছিল, হ্যাঁ এফ ছিল 2π1000 এফ, এফ ছিল 2π × 1000, তো আগের প্রবলেমটা বলছি ফর লো পাস ফিল্টার এফ, and what is the value of c I took? C value is 0.1, তো 0.1 10 to the power minus 6, that was c, 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 6, 0.1 microfarad. So what will be the value of r? R will be 1 by omega c
1.59
into, huh? 1 by omega c into,
আর 1.59 কিলো।
এটা ওমেগা করে দেওয়া ভালো, বলো এটাকে instead of 1 you can write omega, better, that will be better. Omega is this, omega is this, c is this, so the value of r will be 1 by 2 omega c, 1.59 into 10 to the power 3, মনে পড়ছে তো? এটা নিয়েছিলাম 1.59 into 10 to the power 3, that is 1.59 k. Now here I took r equal to what? কত নিয়েছি r equal to? For this problem r is 3.98, so r is 3.98 k, 3. R equal to 3.98 k, 3.98 k. All right, what is the value I took? c value কত? 0.05 into 0.01 u, c equal to 0.01 u, 10 to the power minus 6. This is c. So what will be the value of w? Is 1 by rc, right? The 1 by rc, r is known, c is also known, so this is the value of c, omega, right? The 2.586 divided by 2 pi, w divided by 2 pi, w divided by 2 into pi. দেখো কত আসছে, কত আসছে?
স্যার এখানে আমরা ক্যাপাসিটরটাকে কি
4000
0.01 মাইক্রোফ্যারাড
কত আসছে? হ্যাঁ 4 কিলো আজ তো, হ্যাঁ 0.01 4 কিলো আজ তো, সেটা তোমার বলতে পারছো না 4 কিলো হার্জ, হ্যাঁ
4000 স্যার।
হ্যাঁ 4000, 4 কিলো হার্জ, 4 কিলো হার্জ, ঠিক আছে তো? লেট আস স্টাডি this this is a high pass filter. Run the program, look at the cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency is approximately, this is log scale, okay, it will be 4 kilohertz, approximately 4 kilohertz. So what is the passband gain? Passband gain is 1.586, তাহলে আসছে না কেন passband gain? ও এটা 4 আছে, 3 আছে, 4, it should be 4. V4 by 0, that is output by input. This one is this. ঠিক আছে, দেখে নাও কি করতে হবে, আরেকবার দেখে নাও। 1.586, okay, pass band gain, C1 12.001 microfarad, C2 0.01 microfarad, 3.98, 3.9, 1.58, okay. Let us analyze starting from 1 radian per second, 1 hertz. Oh, this test point, sorry, 1 hertz to 1 megahertz, তাই তো? 1000 kilohertz, 1 hertz to 1 megahertz. আচ্ছা কি করতে হবে দেখো, then go to the add plot, then you select output by input, gain to output by input, this is the value gain. Look at here, the gain, this is the gain, output by input. All right, so this is the gain. So you can find the cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency is approximately 4 kilohertz, you know. So here we select the scale, move the scale and find the point. It's approximately here, তাই তো? এখান থেকে পেয়ে যাবে, দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো? এই যে এখানে আছে, এই কার্সারটা দেখো, প্রোব কার্সার, এখান থেকে তুমি 4 সিলেক্ট দ্য 4, এটাকে নাড়াও তাহলে বেরিয়ে যাবে। You select it properly, 4 কোথায় নিয়ে যাবে? 3.79, A1 is 3.79, now move A1 এই 4.05 হয়ে গেল। So this is the cutoff frequency. Look at the value of gain. It will be 1.586 by root 2 approx. Okay, দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো প্লাস সাইন? Look at the sign. A1 concentrate on A1 is 4 kilohertz, 4.02 K, 3.98 approximately 4.0. Look at the value of passband gain. This is the value of passband gain. It will be 1.586 by root 2 approximately. All right, this is how you can design the high pass filter. All right, বুঝতে পারলে না তো? আচ্ছা, আমি একটা ছোট্ট করে লো পাস ফিল্টার তোমাদের দেখিয়ে দিই বোঝাবার জন্য। কিছুই না, লো পাস ফিল্টার বলো না কি ছিল লো পাস ফিল্টার আগেরটাই। হ্যাঁ, ফার্স্ট অর্ডার এলপি ফিল্টার, ফার্স্ট V1, তো V1 10 AC 1 ভোল্ট, দেন R1 কত হবে? দেন the R1 12, R1 is 1.59, R1 1.59 K. C1 is
20.
what? 20. C1 20.1. C1
0.1
0.1 U. 0.1 U. All right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then
E1
E1 30. Very good. 30
20
20 1. Let us take 1.586. 1.586, not 2. I'm taking 1.586. Yeah, this value 1.5 to compare the value. Okay, 1.586. 2 নিতে পারি, ঠিক আছে, 2ই নি, কি আছে। Then dot AC, then decade for log scale,
decade,
then number of test points 100, then start frequency 1, stop frequency say 100 kilohertz, then dot probe output is V30. Look at output, this is the output V30 and input is 10. So M for magnitude 30, V10. All right, now dot end. ঠিক আছে, now save the file. First order filter, first order LP dot CIR. All right, first order dot. Now change the file type, first order LP, open, now run, go to address V30 by input V10. Is the gain versus frequency. All right, look at the gain. What will be the gain value? Of cutoff frequency? 2 by root 2. All right, 2 by root 2. That is 2 by root 2 means, you know, K by root 2 at cutoff frequency. Gain is K by root 2. That is 1.414. So at 1 kilohertz, the gain should be at 1 kilohertz. Select the 1 kilohertz. The gain should be at 1 kilohertz. The gain should be approximately 2 by root 2. এটাকে দেখলেই বোঝা যাবে যে 1 কিলো নিয়ে গেলে তুমি এখান থেকে ভ্যালুটা পেয়ে যাবে। আচ্ছা, now you can compare. So we already wrote the low pass filter circuit diagram for with second order filter. This is the circuit for the low pass second order. তাই তো, এটাকে তুলে নিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, আসবে ওখানে করে কপি করলে। কম্পেয়ার যদি দেখাতে চাই, এটা মনে হয় আসবে না।
দেখো
হ্যাঁ,
দুটো কি একসঙ্গে রান হবে?
দেখা যাক।
হ্যাঁ হচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ
রান হচ্ছে না, প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, ইনকনসিস্টেন্ট সার্কিট হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
তোমাকে সিলেক্ট করে মনে হয় করতে হবে।
ঠিক আছে, বাদ দাও, বুঝে গেছি, কিছু করতে হবে। ইনকনসিস্টেন্স, ওকে, ইনকনসিস্টেন্ট হোক। V2, this is R3, this is R4, this is C3, this is C4, তাহলে কি দেবে? কি তা তো দেখাবে, তাও দেখাচ্ছে। This one is say সাপ্লাই ভোল্টেজ কত ছিল? 5 না, 10 তো, এটাকে বললাম 40, this is 42, 45, পয়েন্ট নোটগুলোকে চেঞ্জ করে দিচ্ছি, নতুন নোট দিচ্ছি, তাহলে কি হবে বলো?
57
5 40 45 56 56 60 60 60. This one is C4, C4 কততে আছে? C4 5 6. This one is 70. কত হবে বলো তো যদি একসঙ্গে করি? কেউ বলতে পারবে? This is one node 1, node 2, node 3. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এটাতে আমি যদি করি কি হবে? এখানে যদি করি তাহলে this is node 4, this one is say node 4, this is node 4, this is node 5, this is node 6, this is node 7, this one is node 7. So supply is 40 আর
এটা কি ব্যান্ড পাস ফিল্টার হবে?
ব্যান্ড পাস না, আমি এটাই একই গ্রাফে করতে চাইছি, ফার্স্ট অর্ডার সেকেন্ড অর্ডার, আমি একই গ্রাফে করতে চাইছি, ফার্স্ট অর্ডার সেকেন্ড অর্ডার, বুঝতে পারছো? সেম গ্রাফ পেপারে করতে চাইছি। 4 5 তাই তো, R1 4 5, R2 5 6, R1 4 5, R1 4 5, R2 5 6. আচ্ছা, এবার ক্যাপাসিটেন্স, one capacitance, this capacitor is 60 and this one is 57, তাই তো? 60, this is 60 and this one is 57, 57. Okay, this one is 60, this one is 70, is 70. All right, let us give the name. The supply voltage is V2. I want to compare the first order filter and low pass second order filter on the same graph paper. That is not required to show you the nature actually. 5 7 0 5 4 0. Hopefully now it will not give any error. যদি এরর দেয় তাহলে আর করবো না। কি হলো? কি দিচ্ছে? less than 2 connection in node 2.
নোট 7,
কোথায় দিচ্ছে? নোড 7 কোথায় দিয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ less than 2 connection at node 7. Node 7 is floating. Node 7 টা
নোড
এই
7
60702 দের আছে।
40 45 56 60 C3 60 C4 C3 60 হবে তো? C3 60 60. This is 27 and this is 70. কোথায় তাহলে 0 হচ্ছে? 70 6070. Just a minute. 6070 বলো, কি হবে?
ওই 70 ওখানটা ওটাই তো দিচ্ছে, নোট 7 ইজ ফ্লোটিং দিচ্ছে।
কেন ফ্লোটিং দিচ্ছে?
57টা 57 দাদা 57টা দেখো তো একটু।
57 is C5 C457
ওখানে কি C4 দেখুন একটু।
সেই E1 টা 70 হবে না?
E1 টা 70 হবে কেন বলো তো? দিস ইজ
E1 টা
মানে
7060 হবে।
7060 হবে। আমি কি লিখেছি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, কারণ কি
হ্যাঁ
output
হ্যাঁ,
তো
ভেরি
আপনি
গুড 70
60
ভেরি গুড 60। ওকে, ভেরি গুড, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। ওকে, তাও দেখাচ্ছে।
হুম,
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে,
এই
ঠিক আছে, এনে দাও, ছেড়ে দাও, ছেড়ে দাও, দেখো ঝামেলা করো না, কথা বলো না। এখানে তো আসছে না নোট, এখানে ওই নোটগুলো দেখাচ্ছে না, বুঝতে পারছো?
হুম
ঠিক আছে, বুঝে গেছি। ওর দেখাচ্ছে না, দেখাচ্ছে না, ওকে দেখিয়েই ছাড়াবো। ওকে দেখিয়েই ছাড়বো। VM40 VM40 VM10 and VM30. Now this statement is not required. কমন একটা পয়েন্ট করে দিচ্ছি। E2
স্যার বলছি দুটো, হ্যাঁ ওটাই বলতে গেলাম, দুটো ওপেনের একই নাম।
বলো এবার। হ্যাঁ, এবার এসছে V3 by V1, that is for first order filter. Now the second order filter V7 by V4. Okay, দেখতে পাচ্ছ? The red one is the second order filter, and the green one is the okay, don't worry about this. This is with the underdamped circuit, becomes the underdamped, that is why it's showing this overshoot. You can change it to 1.586. If you change it to 1.586, then you will not find any overshoot, or maybe slight overshoot also. 1.586. Look at the red one. Red one is the second order filter, and green one is the first order filter. Look, as we move to the higher order filter, it will become more responsibly more to close to the ideal filter. All right. Now I will show you in circuit maker briefly. You can also perform this experiment in circuit maker. It will take 5 minutes only. Now let us consider a G. I am pressing a G. G means generator, AC generator. Okay, I'm pressing a C. Then a resistance R. Oh, let us design a high pass filter. Okay, so rotate 90 degree. কি হলো? R, right click, 7 point. বন্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে কেন?
হ্যাঁ তাই তো দেখছি
হ্যাঁ,
বন্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
কাজই করছে না, আমার ঘামের জন্য নাকি? দিস ইজ 7 পয়েন্ট, হাতে প্রচন্ড ঘাম হয়ে গেছে, স্টাইলাস ইউজ করছি তো। 95K, 7.95K. দেন ইউ রাইট আ ক্যাপাসিটার কত ছিল? ক্যাপাসিটার 0.01 U,
2.01
0.01 U. I'm just press capacity. Just press C, small c actually, you will get the capacitor. You need now press G, sorry, G for generator, sorry, 0, press 0, you'll get a ground. Now you need an op amp. Go to device, then go to device, কোথায় আছে device, linear IC, go to linear IC, op amp, this place. I'm selecting an ideal op amp. Okay, this is R, pass band gain R, this is also R. All right. I'm selecting an ideal op amp. Mirror, rotate, rotate, plus plus. Okay. R C, R C, then ground. It is moving to the positive terminal. Then output here, then this is here. Negative terminal will be connected to this point. All right. Now this should be ground. This should be connected to the ground, and this also should be connected to the ground. All right. All right. Now go to the simulation analog mode. Sorry. Go to simulation analysis setup. Please go to simulation analysis setup. Disable transient response, disable this, disable multimeter, check AC. Click start frequency 1 Hz. Stop frequency 100 kilohertz. Start frequency, just like remember, circuit breaker is nothing but spice. 100 Hz. Scale decade, DEC. Number of test points, 100 test points per decade. Look, total test points is 500 because 1 to 100, the 100 test points. 100 to 1000, another 100. 1000 to 10,000, and this way. Okay. So go to OK, run analysis setup. Now here press the value. This is a high pass filter. Look at the response. You know the cutoff frequency is 40 kilohertz. So this is a 2 kilohertz. Right? This is 2 kilo. 1. This is a 2 kilohertz. This point is a 2. This point is 2. দেখা যাচ্ছে 2 লেখা আছে, দেখেছো? 2, 2.02 দেখাচ্ছে. This is 2. 2. And what is the passband gain? Passband gain should be 2 by root 2. That is 1.414. দেখো, passband gain is approximately 1.414. এই দেখো, this one, C minus D, 1.414, 1.406 দেখাচ্ছে. All right. So if you want to now let us move to the band pass and band reject filter. এটা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, না পারলে আমি আছি, আমাকে ডাক বলবে, আমি করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? Now go to the meeting and share screen again. Share screen. ঠিক আছে, পাস ব্যান্ড গেইন ইউনিটি কি করে করবে? পাস ব্যান্ড গেইন ইউনিটি কি করে করবে বলতে পারবে? পাস ব্যান্ড গেইন কি করে ইউনিটি করবে? ইউনিটি নেগেটিভ ফিডব্যাক, হ্যাঁ, ইউনিটি
Sir, R1 and R2 0, R2 R3 0 করে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ, very good. That means here this point to this point. ঠিক আছে? All right. This point to here. এটা উঠানো যাচ্ছে না। Unity negative feedback. All right. In that case, we'll run the program. You'll find, if you look at the go here, this is nothing but probe. This line, this is called the probe. Probe statement. If you run, this is a probe. You just place the probe here, output point, so you'll get the nature. Passband gain. You look at the passband gain here. Look at passband gain. It is 1. Passband gain is 1. Passband gain. Look at here. It is passband gain is 1.